This video will describe in detail how to use the Spectrum Analyzer function on the 360 DSP. It's in the Troubleshoot menu. If I go into the Spectrum icon, what I would use this function for is to essentially check the existing cable at a customer's house. In other words, I would go to the tap, disconnect the drop from the tap, and connect the drop to my meter. So that I'm looking in towards the house. I'm looking at what should be dead cable. The noise floor of the meter is around minus 55, I believe. I shouldn't see any energy above minus 30 in that range. Anything below minus 30 should be fine. So in the upper left part of the screen, if I don't see a trace on the graph, I need to lower my reference level. I can do this by highlighting that field, just hitting the up and down arrows, or I can hit the enter key and just type in my reference level, minus 25, and it will set it for me. The reference is the value at the top of the screen. If I hit my right arrow, one time, I'm at the resolution field. This is 10 dB per division. That just tells me how many dB is it for each horizontal line. So if I'm at minus 25 at the top, one line below that would be minus 15, one line below that would be minus 35, one line below that would be minus 45, and then as you can see, I'm at about minus 50 where my current trace is, roughly. I can set the stop frequency. The start is always 4. I can set my stop by highlighting that field using my up-down arrows. I can select 42, 65, 85, or 110. If I'm checking existing wiring, 110 is a good value to use because I know there's energy in the environment. FM stations. FM stations broadcast 88 to 109 megahertz roughly. If I've got a faulty cable and anything's going to bleed in, I'm probably going to pick up some FM stations. So this is an idea, or this is a way for me to quickly test the integrity of the existing wiring. This display here is pretty much what I want to see. I want to see no energy on that existing cable. If I see anything like this, I've got some energy bleeding in, that's an indication that I've got maybe a staple through a coax, maybe I've got some other issues, loose connections, but I don't want to see any energy on that existing coax. This would be a failure. A passing test in a perfect world would be a completely flat spectrum.